Hello, welcome to SAS Media Studio. Well, in this video, I will be teaching you how you can create a Gmail account without phone number. Okay, so I'm using the mobile phone because you cannot create a free Gmail account on your laptop or your personal computer. I hope you understand. So you have to use our phone. So what you have to do is you just have to go to settings, then you scroll to account, then you scroll down to add account, then you click on Google. Okay, so I have to you can't get my phone, so you can open my part. Okay, so you click next this. So now you choose your birthday. I'm 23rd. Just choose any. Okay, mail. Then move next. So now you have to create they have given you a suggested email, a Gmail account. Okay, so you have Shadrach Athaminsa 73. No, I'm going to create my own. So I'm going to make it real. Let me make it official SAS Media. Okay, official SAS Media. Then you click next. So you have to enter a new password. Okay, so I won't show my password. Okay, so that's my password. I want to copy. Well, I will not let you see it because I'm going to blur it. You click next after you've entered your password. So as you can see, so they are telling you to just type in your phone number. Okay, so as you can see down here, we have skip, we have next. Okay, so on your computer you will see only back and next, but on our phone we are seeing skip. So that means we can skip the phone number section. So just click on skip, then review account, you click next, you scroll down, then you just click I agree. Congratulations, your new Gmail account has been created. So you can find it over here. So as you can see, you have the official sasmedia at gmail.com. Official sasmedia at gmail.com. So you can just click on it. You click on Google account. So now you can add personal information to it. Okay, so as you can see, my name showing is Shadrach Athaminsa. Okay, so I can change that name, and I can also change my profile. Okay, so go to personal info. I hope you understand. So this is how you can create your Gmail account. So as you can see, contact info officialsasmedia@gmail.com. So I'm a mail. This is my email. This is my name. So that is it. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a thumb up if you like this video. Give a comment at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more future videos, so that when you upload any video, you get a notification for that. See you next time.